What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be running over a few altcoins that I really expect to pop off hard that I have under my radar. Before we get going, make sure that you're a subscriber to my channel. I'm going to be doing some giveaways once I reach 50,000 subscribers. So share this video with your friends and hit that like button for me. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. I'm going to start today off with Aetherium because this coin, as you guys know, is basically the biggest altcoin as far as market capitalization goes, as far as people that support the project. It really got the most attention in 2017, and it really still gets a lot of attention. This coin has partnerships with massive companies, and to be watching this cycle setting up the way that it is really a beautiful thing because of this massive consolidation pattern that we have through this here period. This horizontal consolidation pattern is very, very nice, and that's really what we're looking for to see is horizontal consolidation as the market bases out near these lows and gets ready to retest previous resistance levels. One thing I want you guys to remember is that markets have memory. So all of this support right here and all of this resistance right here and all of this resistance right here are all very memorable points inside of the market that are likely to be tested. And so all of this pattern that we're seeing right here, this horizontal consolidation range, that's just setting up, getting the momentum, bleeding out the sellers, and reaccumulating the buyers to prepare for those resistance levels. And since this has been on a downtrend for quite some time now, that horizontal consolidation also represents all of the bears continually getting liquidated while the bulls are taking massive positions and really moving the market. The whales know that this is a bull market coming, and they're definitely bleeding out all of the short sellers into massive long positions so they can push up through these resistance levels and really take us where we need to go. Just taking a quick second to look at the Elliott wave count for Aetherium, you can see an ABC corrective wave from the peak down. That's very typical of these cycles to see an ABC correction. And then really because of that ABC correction, currently this is most likely to be a 1 and a 2 wave while we're preparing for a 3, 4, and 5 wave. And that really ultimately shows the bigger rounded structure that we're creating as we shift from a downtrend into an uptrend and we start to establish higher lows and higher highs. As we break this resistance level and this resistance level, that really confirms that uptrend because we've broken above those key resistance levels. So with the price being at $235 right now, Aetherium is definitely a steal from an investing perspective and one that I personally hold, and I'm really excited about what's coming from a cyclical perspective. So moving on here to the next major pick, we have VeChain. So let me get into a little bit about why I'm so excited about VeChain. You guys know that volume is something that's very, very important inside of these markets. VeChain is also a coin that has had a massive downtrend for quite some time now, but then has started to round out and create an uptrend currently. And so I really expect this trend to continue and really expect these types of consolidation periods along the way up as the market prepares, reaccumulates, and pushes higher. So VeChain is definitely one that I'm watching. Major resistance is not that far away and can really easily be broken above. And so that's really why I'm personally watching VeChain so closely, is because major resistance means price discovery. And once you're at a point where the market has never been at those prices before, you can really establish a very, very strong parabolic uptrend. And so that's really what I'm watching for VeChain with VeChain currently, is to break resistance levels and establish a parabolic uptrend that should maintain itself for quite some time so you can ride that trend up, play the trend, and continue to make money inside of this market. It really shook a lot of people out right here with the COVID panic. Of course, that's to be expected, you guys. A lot of people got shaken out of a lot of different markets. That's usually what happens. There's always going to be fear days where people are selling everything, and those usually present the biggest opportunity in the market anyways. So if you reframe your mindset, you can actually see those as a very, very good thing. One of the interesting things about VeChain as well is just how much it reminds me of 2015 Bitcoin when it made its final capitulation, started uptrending, went parabolic, and then reaccumulated. After it did that reaccumulation process, it was able to go ahead and then push through resistance again and establish a very strong uptrend. And that's kind of the idea that I'm looking for with VeChain, with a lot of the different altcoins, and that's really what I'm personally watching for with this coin specifically. And there's quite a few that are making a similar enough pattern that you should have your eyes on too. So Verge is another one that I wanted to briefly touch on today because of the fact that Verge has made a massive corrective wave from its peak high to its peak lows. And that corrective wave I expect to have quite a fruitful bull market, quite a big market cycle to come out of it. It's retraced so significantly hard, and I can only imagine how much has been accumulated through all of this period here. Well, everybody thinks the market is dead, they don't see any volume, when really the whales were just buying up this coin in the big picture anyways, preparing for a massive cycle. So with Verge, I fully expect us to start an uptrend. It kind of reminds me of Digibyte before Digibyte popped off really hard, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to bring it up today. So yeah, I'm definitely watching the Verge market, definitely getting ready to take some positions. Just kind of seeing here as we accumulate up, this to me looks like just a quick little consolidation, reaccumulation before we can push higher. So I'm just kind of watching that accumulation period, getting ready to take some positions, make some moves on Verge. Yes, you guys, this coin is definitely going to see a cycle. And just like a lot of the other altcoins, that capitulation event because of COVID is really what's fueling the cycle that's coming currently. We're moving into a digital age. A lot of people are staying inside. And the result of this is that we're having digital technologies really take off in a way that we've never seen before. So there's a lot of money to be made inside of those moves, inside of that money as it moves around from different economies, as old companies die and new ones are born. And cryptocurrency for me is one of those economies that jumping into is a very intelligent idea because of the fact that it's so revolutionary and so new to the human species that what we're going to see from blockchain technology will blow us away. It'll be bigger than pretty much any other industry we've ever seen. So yeah, you guys, this is definitely the spot to be, definitely what I'm doing with my money, definitely what I'm investing my time in, definitely what my friends are investing their time and money into, and it's really awesome to be part of this revolution with you guys. I hope you appreciate what you've learned as far as Ethereum, VeChain, and Verge go. I fully expect these coins to pop off quite hard. There's a lot of money to be made in the markets. The time is now to be investing in them. And, just be grateful for the opportunity that we have to ride another bullish cycle. And the fact that these markets play the same mathematical patterns over and over again, the same human emotion over and over again, that's so useful to understand because then you can use that emotion to personally make money in the markets, and to feed your family, to help your friends, to help your community, and all of the above. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I really appreciate you guys. Again, hit the subscribe button so that we can hit that 50,000 subscriber mark and I can give some stuff away for you guys. Make sure that you're a Discord member. Links are in the description. Go ahead and join that. It's completely free. And also the VIP is a spot that you can take your trading to the next level. So if you're ready to do that, go ahead and shoot me a Discord message or an email and I can get you set up inside of this exclusive group. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in and I look forward to seeing you in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.